Hey you guys, how are you doing? I hope everyone is well and in good health. Today's video, I'm really just doing a giveaway. I'm so excited about this giveaway. I haven't done a giveaway on this channel, so I'm just super excited to be doing this giveaway. Okay, so the giveaway is basically of the Proverbz DIY hair growth oil. When I said I was going to do the 1 year's challenge, a lot of people that lived elsewhere in the world said they couldn't find all the ingredients, so I thought doing a giveaway would be fab for them to be able to enter and obviously win something, hopefully. If you already made this oil, or if you're using it, then I don't see the point in entering, because obviously the whole point is that the people that can't make it or don't have everything to be able to make it can win something off of this giveaway. Okay, so if you already have the oil, if you're planning to make it and you're gonna get all the ingredients where you live, then obviously there's no point in you entering it. Okay, so it's going to be international. I am going to ship it on the cheapest shipping rate. Okay, so depending on where you live, it may be late in coming to you. Okay, so the rules are very simple. Of course, make sure you subscribe. You've got to be a subscriber, and I'm going to check. Okay, so you've got to be a subscriber, and you've got to follow me on at least one of my social media platforms. You've got to at least follow me on one of them. And if you don't have any of these social media platforms I'm talking about, you can create one, because again, if you don't have one, you're not going to be able to enter. Okay, so make sure you follow me. My name is on all these three social media platforms is Coily by N. Okay, so make sure I put it on the screen. Make sure you follow me on one of these. I'm going to announce the winners on my social media platforms. I've never liked Twitter. I don't know, Twitter and me are not, I don't know, there's something wrong somewhere. I just don't get it. I've created an Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter account for this channel specifically. Okay, so make sure you follow me on there. Make sure you subscribe to me and follow me on one of my social media platforms. You can also follow me on all of them if you wish. Okay, if you have all of them. Okay, this is what the bottles I'm going to be using. We're gonna have 2 winners. Every winner is going to have 1 bottle of the Proverbz DIY hair growth oil. Okay, so you're going to have, everybody's going to have an 8 ounce. Okay, so yeah, 2 winners. And also for those who may live in a place where you have all the ingredients but you're not bothered to make it, I saw a fenugreek oil on Pax Cosmetics. Okay, so you can go have a look there if you live in London, or you can buy online as well. And if you don't have anything and you don't win the oil, then I think the best thing you can do is just get the fenugreek powder or seeds and just put it in a bowl or something and pour some castor oil on it, and that should be okay too, because really the main ingredient for this is fenugreek. So if you can find fenugreek, you can use any oil to make whatever you want. Okay, so with this oil, I'm going to make it very basic. I'm going to make it how Proverbz made it. Okay, the reason is I'm not going to add the garlic and ginger and everything, because I don't know everyone's scalp. Okay, I don't know what will suit your scalp. Okay, so when you receive the oil, it's up to you if you want to add the ginger and the garlic and whatever oils you have into it. You can do that, but I'm gonna make it just the normal way that Proverbz herself made it. Okay, originally made it. Okay, I'm not gonna make it my own way. And also, when you receive it, please be sure to test it around your the back of your scalp. Okay, just so that you don't get any irritation on your scalp and you don't blame me. So make sure you test it first. Okay, whoever wins, make sure you test it first, and yeah, and see if it's okay for your scalp. Wait for 24 hours and then you can go ahead and use it if it's fine. Okay, and if you're in for this giveaway, just comment down below, enter me, okay, with a love heart. Just enter me with a love heart and I will definitely make sure to enter you. Okay, and I shall see you in the next one. Take care.